Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to change your bio on Discord mobile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Discord app and now click on your profile icon to the bottom right hand corner and click on set status. And to make a custom status or custom bio, click on set a custom status. And now here you have to put your custom bio. So I'm going to type in here eating and click here and select emoji, and now click on this save button. And here you can see under my username I have added my bio. So this was how we can change our bio on Discord from mobile. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.